So hello guys, let's check out the unboxing of the xenyx 1002B mixer. There were a couple of reasons why I chose this mixer. One of them were the sliders, so they are sliders and not rotary knobs for the volume. It's not really a deal breaker, but it's more comfortable to me and more classical to use a slider than a rotary knob. Also, this guy has 4 stereo inputs, which is, I needed 3 at least, so I have 4. I have one extra one, which is excellent. And I had the bonus of having 2 mic inputs also. And every channel has its own dedicated EQ knobs. So this is kind of a really nice mix between what my needs are and the actual functionalities of this mixer for my current needs. Also has a phone output, main output, monitor output, FX send output, and output to tape. So all the main features are here that I really need, and they are great. It has phantom power also. One gripe I have here is that it should have a little LED note to let me know that phantom power is actually on. It does not have that LED. Oh well, it's not a deal breaker to me. It would be nice to have it. I don't have it right now, but oh well, what you gonna do? It's also have the option to operate with batteries, which is, I'm not seeing myself needing this feature, but it's nice to have. And overall, it is a nice balance between features, price, and what the mixer actually can do for me. So let's check the unboxing. I'm doing this like a commentary of the video of the unboxing because I'm putting this on a different channel too, which is in Portuguese, so I don't have to film the unboxing twice. But stick around to the end to see a little bit more of the product images, so you can see and check it out a little bit more in detail with epic imagery of myself. Okay, so this is the unboxing. So I just picked up the box. I'm pointing out some of its features. So it's a 10 input buzz mixer, which is nice. That's one of my reasons. The amount of stereo inputs it has and the amount of microphone input it has, it's a nice balance to me. So here it has the features on the box. So I'm going to read them out if you cannot read them on the video. So ultra low high power, xenyx preamps, 3 EQs for each channel, operates with 9-volt batteries, stereo inputs, FX send and monitor send. It has a LED monitoring system, which is kind of usual. So it has a couple of LEDs to tell you the levels of the input audio. It has an output for phone, CD tape, and monitor. It has phantom power. It has an external power supply, 3-year warranty, and a power button. So to the guys who are more familiar with xenyx mixers, having a power button, it's not always there. And lower end mixers don't have a power button. This one has, and it's quite nice to have that quote-unquote feature that we take for granted, but it's not always there. But it's nice to have a power button. So now I carry on with my unboxing. So I just literally unboxed the mixer. I will highlight here the mic inputs, the physical knobs, EQs, and the FX and monitor send and phantom power too. So it's all here. I just wish I had a LED telling me that phantom power is on, but oh well, it's not the deal breaker for me, at least for now. So it comes included with some brackets, metal brackets. They are metal, so you can mount it on some DJ tables, which is nice. It has an instruction manual and a sticker that is going to stay there forever. I don't enjoy sticking stickers anywhere, so but that is me. And finally, I extract the mixer from the box, and there she is. Wait a second. So there it is. It's quite hefty. It's all metal build, so it's quite assuring in terms of build quality and longevity. I see myself using this mixer for a long time. So it's quite heavy, which is reassuring. And then it includes, obviously, a power brick. And I'm going to show off the size difference between my mouse. So my mouse, it's a Razer Member Permanent Edition. So can actually fit 4 or 5 mice, nice one, mice of this caliber. So you can actually see or have an idea regarding the size. And I have also here in the bottom my 10 kilos keyboard, so you can actually see it's a little bit shorter. So if you exclude the cursor keys, then you have more or less the rough size of the mixer. It has a power button, so I'm showing off the power button just because it's it's nice to have. Next, in the bottom of the mixer, we have the battery compartment. The battery compartment holds 3 9-volt batteries, and 2 are for the mixer and 1 is for the actual phantom power, like is indicated on the actual lid. All right, so let me just pull back here. So my final thoughts. So I have used this mixer for some time, and I'm quite enjoying it. And if you are wondering how is the audio quality, so this whole video was recording, microphone included. This whole video was recorded using the mixer itself. So I'm connecting my microphone on the first entry, and I'm leaving all the knobs at noon. So I'm not adding any EQ through the mixer or through software. I may boost a little bit the audio in post if I think the audio is too low, but otherwise I'm not adding any not adding any EQ to the audio by software or hardware, so you can actually listen how it performs. So this whole video was recorded using this mixer. Stick around for the product images after this unboxing. Please like and subscribe if you can, and see you in the next video. Take care of yourself and the ones you love. Thank you.